So here's the wig. This is how it first came in a little bag. It was in a little plastic tube. Okay, so here it is, fresh out the box. Well, the package. Okay. Yeah. So they didn't lie about that. The lace do go as far back as it can for it to be a 4-inch. I like that a lot. The hair feels soft. I'm of course gonna tone it. Yeah, that's all I can say for right now. So we'll be back. Y'all, I'm trying to crimp the wig and look at what happened. This is how I like my crimps, and this is just like it real limp real fast, but it still started to turn purple at the end. So I don't know what's going on, but this is actually very cute, but I don't want purple hair right now, at least. So I'm finna just see what happens. I don't even know what to do, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I already crimped like the back of my wig, and I put the color on the cap. So with me being dark, the color I usually use is 15 or 16 in this Ruby Kisses. This is the 16, and I use the darkest color for my 613. I probably would use the darkest color for anything, honestly, but using a darker color will not have like no white cast or anything. So that's what you should do, especially for these 613 installs. So I put that all on the inside of my cap. I don't know if I told y'all before, but I don't do the whole ball cap method on myself. I just do it on my clients. But on me, I will just put on my wig cap like this, no glue, no nothing, and I'm finna just glue it down. I already cut my ear tabs off. I'm gonna put this wig in the description. But yeah, I already cut my ear tabs off, and I already plucked how I want it to be plucked, as you can see. And I didn't do my whole head because I know I was gonna do the edges and stuff. So now I'm finna just glue it down and get in the shower. So I'm finna go ahead and with 3 layers of my usual Erica J. I've been using this literally since I started doing hair. I was even using this before Tay, y'all. Like, this is it for real. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put my 3 layers on, and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, y'all, so the glue just about dry. I should really wait on this, but I'm just gonna put it on. Okay, so like I said, I already cut my ear tabs off. It should be pretty easy. You just gotta know where you want it and pay attention to where you put the glue. I know this side gonna be showing for real, so I gotta, make sure this is really where it's supposed to go. Ooh. Okay, y'all, this might be a little hard because I ain't got nobody to hold it. Like, I be needing people to hold this stuff down. I'm going to spray some spritz. Usually I would just spray it on a finger, tap it in, but apparently, well, obviously I can't do that right now. I would say just, if you gotta do it like this, then just spray it on and push it back like I'm doing. And spray it like before the hairline, so when it's seeped down, it don't go too far ahead. This is actually pretty crazy. Alright, so let me go find that elastic band and I'll be back. Okay, so I threw the band on. I hope these crimps stay in. When I get in the shower, I sprayed them with a lot of spray, so I'm gonna just go ahead and put this big shower cap on and just hope for the best. I think it should be cool though, because this is a bob and they are sprayed, so yeah, it should be cool. And you could tighten this bonnet. So dang, what a string. I got the wig and the rubber. Okay, yeah, I should be good. So yeah, I'm gonna get in the shower real fast, probably wait a little time, and then I'm going to come back when I'm trying to do the edges and crimp the rest of the hair. Okay, so I'm back. Let me loosen this. Okay, the crimps is still cool. We're good. So all right, I turned my hot comb on. I am not going to pluck the part, but what I am going to do is go in with my dark powder. I mean, the color with this little angle brush. Just to get us a little time, because I just got out the shower, so we're going to get us a little time to set in. I don't know how I want to do my edges, but we finna see. I just turned my crimper on so it can be warming up. With this part, y'all, I would just say be real precise. You know, you would usually like want to go in with the shade a little bit lighter, but since this is 613, you want that part to show. So we're gonna go in with the darkest shade still. Y'all see the part, as you should. I hate when you can't see a part. Alright, I'm just gonna take this off because it be that ears. Okay, yeah, I get how my clients be feeling, but man. Whew, okay. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace. So when you cut in the lace, this is like my main secret, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. But yeah, just make sure you're not cutting straight across. I'll be back after I finish cutting the lace. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, this wig stuff is meant for me. I was born for this because this stuff's so easy to me, like, it's crazy. So, my hot comb went off, but it's still hot enough. I trust myself, and I have a high pain tolerance, so yes, I feel the steam, it just don't... I know what to expect, and I know how I want my hair, so I just can't even say nothing about it. But yeah, so... I don't know how I want to style the rest of my hair now, because, like, I don't know, this kind of... What if I just want my hair like this? That'd be crazy. But no, it eats already, so... What I am finna do is just, I'm gonna use this brush. I'm gonna tap some of my brown powder just around some more. I keep saying powder. This is the Ruby Kisses I showed y'all. Cause yeah, this is what you should do. Any little piece of lace before y'all hairline, y'all want to put the darkest color that matches your skin tone, because this is how it melts perfectly. Like, I don't know what people be doing, honestly. It's not that hard to color match, but I feel like all you literally have to do, this is what I do with every client. I just get a group of these, I look at them, whichever one I look that looks like it matches their skin tone, I start with them too. And then I just get one of these little brushes, I'll paint a piece on their face, like a random part of their face, like their cheek or forehead, wherever. And then whatever like blends in the most is what I use. Like, you shouldn't be using nothing else that's like lighter or that's not blended into your skin. Like, it should just blend in. And you should just have all colors. Like, you should not just have only one Ruby Kiss thing. I got all colors. Like, every shade of this I have. So yeah. And different people be needing different stuff. Like, you wouldn't even think that I would be using this darkest shade, but it matches. And then I have like something else, like, cause for people that's way darker than me, this ain't gonna work, of course. So I have something else for that too. Like, y'all have to know what y'all doing. Stop messing people up. So yeah, now, okay, edges. I need to put on my sideburns. Okay, let me untie this actually. Had a lot of crooks, and them crooks still crooks and say had a lot of crooks. Y'all, I'm so happy. Like, life is life in the best way. So yeah, like I said, this is not like a full tutorial or anything. I'm just doing what I do. So yeah, I'm gonna come back after I finish putting on my edges, and I'm gonna show y'all like anything else I'm doing to, like, you know, spice up the install. Okay, so y'all, like I said, this is not no tutorial on how to like do a whole install. This is just a tutorial on like 613. So after I did my edges, I would usually just tap in makeup like in the spots that would probably have like some little white dots, because you know with 613 you can't tone it. You could like kind of dab nice brown, but I didn't have time for that. I didn't even tone this hair, y'all. This y'all, this Amazon wig is really it. I'm gonna definitely put in the description for y'all, but really I didn't have to do too much. Like, this is amazing. But yeah, so like right here, I'm gonna tap. Bam. Cool. So now I kind of want to spritz this hairline just to make sure these edges stay in place. Bam. And now I'm gonna go ahead in with my scarf on the edges. I'm gonna put some of this over here so this can lay down. I gotta make sure I clean my piercing after I take this off, but yeah, tie them down, y'all. Tie them down. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna crimp the rest of my hair and I'm gonna come back. Okay, y'all, now it's time for me to make everything come together. See what's going on here. So let's see. Whew, okay. Now I'm gonna comb this out with my fingers gently. Heavy on the gently. I don't want to comb out my hair for real. I think I'm gonna just wait. Let's get a look. Okay, yeah, this went cool because y'all, I wanted a freaking deep wave wig, but the girl I was getting it from didn't have them, so I just had to. Well, she didn't have the texture I wanted. No, she didn't have the hair at all. No, she didn't have the texture. And I didn't know what else to do. I was stressed out, so I just ordered this off Amazon. Ooh, yeah, this eats. I want to comb this out. Okay, yeah, because I'm not combing this out. I ain't even gonna lie. But that's all I got for the video today, guys. So it's nothing else I would do to this, honestly. It looked really, really good. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Bye.